Hi, I'm Ricardo, and this is Petit Coding. Okay, so last time we finished this algorithm. I think we didn't commit it, so first let me just commit this, push to remote, enter the algorithm for marksman, support, and tank. Commit one file and push, and I think we did the algorithm for each of this. So we have to try all these edge cases. So support 23, support. When date is 21, when date is 22, when date is 23. Okay. Now we need for marksman. When marksman date is 24, it should return the same thing. So we'll just continue with these edge cases. So let me just copy this test and see if this algorithm is working for everything. 25, I did 25 here. I did 26 for marksman. So 24, 25, 26. I did it for all of this for the marksman date. Okay, so that's cool. Now I want it for tank. When tank is 27, it should return that day. When it's 28, it should return the date. When it's 20, oh yeah, for tank I already did this. Yes. Okay. Now for jungle is the next one I need. So for the jungle emblem, I'm going to copy this. Okay. And do it here. So when date is October, not 29, when is October? When is October 30, 2019, when is the next jungle date, right? Returns November 7th, it should be November 20, right? Because I'm adding 3 here. So when current date is 30, and I'm looking for jungle now. And yes, I did this in all caps, I didn't mean to do that. I did it again. Returns November 20, so in day 20. Command U. So this is passing, you see, so the algorithm seems to be working. Command C, Command V, and now when current day 31, I should get the same thing for the jungle. Command U. Yeah, I have the same test, 31, Command U. Okay. So it's 30, 31, and November 1st, right? For this to work as expected, when date is November 01, 2019. So I'm going to say 1, and current month is 11, Command U. Current month, comma, Command U. So the test is passing also for this one. When date is November 1, 2019. Next jungle date returns November 10, 2019. Okay. So we are there for the jungle. Now when date is November 2, okay, so I'll just copy this. When date is November 2, so I'm done with the jungle emblems. I need now the assassin dates. When this next assassin date will return November 23rd. Okay, so if my current day is November 2, current month is 11, comma, now it's assassin. When is the next assassin day? Will be in day 23, 11/2019, command U. So you see the assassin emblem is working also with this. We could have also done it the other way around and see how it worked, but since we already made this test generic, I just want to make sure all the edge cases are working. So when date is November 3 now, so my date is November 3, so it's not 23, yeah, yes, 23/11, command U. So this is working also, and also no assassin date November 2, November 3, November 4. Yeah, November 4, that's before the mage. And date is November 4, so I'm putting here the 4. It should still stay the same, command U. So my test is passing still, and also I'll need the same thing for the mage. Okay, just having all the edge cases when November is when I'm in November 5th and I want to calculate mage, it should be in day 23 plus 3, 26, command U, and it's there also. So this is when it's 5, when it's 6, when is November 6, so 6, command U. The test is passing, and also I want to make sure it's working for the next date. When date is November 7, 2019, so I'm changing this to 7, command U. And that's it. You can see that for now all these tests are passing for all these dates on the first cycle. So let me just commit and push. Added edge cases, added tests to see they are passing for all the edge cases. Okay? Since the test got more generic, as the test got more specific, then I don't need any more of those. And as you can see, my tests are passing now. Okay. Okay, so we need one more. I will do one more test to make sure we are going through the loop, and we will need those other edge cases. But let me just first show you what I mean with this. So for support date, I want to make it when I'm in November 11. So when date is November 11, 2019, when is next support date, it should return December 02, 2019. And this is because December 2nd is 21 days later than November 11. Okay? So my current day will be 11, current month will be 11, the calculated emblem will be support, the day will be 2, the month will be 12, and command U. Let's see what happens here. So this is what happens. It's returning a failing test. And why it's returning a failing test? Because I'm returning the same day here and not the date that 21 days later. And why is that? So there's something happening with this here, this algorithm. And one, I'm going to show you a way to check what could be going on. So I'm putting a breakpoint here, and if you click on this play button, you'll debug just this test. Okay, and I'm right now hit the breakpoint on this test, and I can see the number of days. So let me just step over here and see that the number of days is 24. So this is the problem. You see, the number of days is 24, and I wanted to add 21 days to this date, and I'm adding 24 minus 3, this is 21, and I'm not adding any days because 21 minus 21 plus 0, remember this is 1 minus 1, so it's 0. So I'm adding no days. So how can I fix this? Since this is 24, we can see that 24 modulo 21 is 3. Okay, the modulo again. I will get 3 minus 3, right? That's 0. And this is 0, and I will add 24 days. So what I have to do, the only thing I have to do is put a parenthesis here, put modulo 21, get rid of the breakpoint, and command U again. Okay, I'm just stopping. And my test is now passing. You see, so my test is now passing with this modulo. I have to do it for the next 3 days, or next 2, I mean. So let's just do it for the next 2 for the support. When November is 12, 2019, when is next support date? So current date is 12. Command U. Let's see if this works also. It is working because my test is passing. And also for the next day. So when date is November 13, day 13, command U. Okay, yeah. So we're getting close to getting ready for the UI. Maybe we need to prepare some things first, but we're really close to getting to the UI, and that's the exciting part of these videos. I'll continue with the next. Before that, let me just commit and push. So added modulo 21 for support emblem for the next week. Commit to files and push. Okay. We're really getting in really close with this. Okay. For the UI. And that's what we're gonna do next time. Next time I'm going to follow up with the other edge cases as we did in this video before, and also we're gonna prepare this for the UI, and then we will start putting this fragment, this library on the UI, and you'll see how this will match up. Okay, so that's it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to push on the notification bell so you will get notified every time I post a new videos. And thanks for watching. See you next time.